morning, students. Today we will learn class 5th EVS chapter 3 from testing to digesting. In these chapters we will learn the taste of different food items, differentiate between sweet, salty, sour and bitter taste, identify different taste bud regions on the surface of our tongue. So in the previous class you have learned about the four basic tastes, that is sweet, salty, sour and bitter. So you can easily say that lemon tastes sour, banana tastes sweet, bitter gourd tastes bitter, samosa tastes salty, custard apples taste sweet, chips taste salty, tomatoes taste sour and chili taste bitter. So everybody knows it because these are the four basic things you can learn about taste. Now we will go one by one. So there are four basic tastes which we can identify easily, that is sweet, sour, salty and bitter. So but in our Ayurveda it identifies 6 tastes by which all foods can be categorized, and the 6 tastes are sweet, salty, sour, bitters, and along with these foods there are 2 other tastes, that is pungent and astringent. Pungent P-U-N-G-E-N-T and astringent A-S-T-R-I-N-G-E-N-T. But in some cases people also take another one taste, that is umami. I will discuss it later. So the first four taste, that is the primary taste, that is sweet, salty, sour and bitters, are easily recognizable, and the last two may not seem familiar. Pungent taste is hot and spicy as found in chili, pepper, while astringent taste is dry and light as found in popcorn. So I am just discuss about the different taste. Sweet taste come from water and earth. There are 5 basic things from which all the materials are made, that is earth, water, sky, fire and air. So sweet taste comes from waters and earth, and the food which taste sweets are heavy, moist and cooling. So the food items which taste sweets are the natural sugars, that is jaggery and sugar that you eat, milk and milk product, that is ghee, butter and cream, grains like wheat, rice, barley, etc. Leguminous plant, legumes, that is the nuts, that is beans, lentils, and sweet fruits like banana, mango also taste sweets, and also some cooked vegetables, that is carrots, sweet potatoes, beets also taste sweets. And mainly the food which taste sweets, they are rich in proteins, they build tissues, they calm our nerves and increase saliva, and also it soothes our mucous membranes and relieve our thirst. So we do not feel thirsty after eating the sweet food, and also it is good for skin, hair and our voice. Then next come to sour taste. Sour taste comes from the matter earth and fires, and the food that are sours are actually hot, light and moist, and sour taste foods are citrus fruit like lemons, limes, oranges, and sour milk product, that is curd, cheese, sour cream, etc. And also some fermented foods, that is wine, vinegars, pickles and sauce, tomato sauce, soya sauce, etc. And sour foods generally stimulates, help in digestion and blood circulation. If we eat sour foods, then our blood circulations will be better, and also it energizes our body, makes our body energetic and strengthen the hearts. Also it also relieves thirst like sweet foods and maintain our acidity level. it sharpens the senses, and also it cleans our tissue. So that is why sometimes we need to eat sour foods. Next come to the salty food. Salty foods, actually they are from fires and water, and the food are generally hot, heavy food. Salty food means heavy food, sweet food means heavy foods. So uh, the food in which salty taste is present is any salt, that is the sea salt or rock salt, whatever it may be. And sea vegetables also, like seaweeds, kelp, and seafoods, that is the fishes from the sea, and also foods to which large amount of salts are added, like nuts, chips, pickles, they taste salty, है ना. And salty foods improve our taste. Salt improve our taste, also improve digestion and lubricate the tissues. It maintains balance, mineral balance in our body, and helps in elimination of waste materials from our body. So it promotes overall growth in the body. So we must eat salt with our, we must take salt with our food. Next is bitter. Bitter contains air and ether, sky. So it's naturally, these are light food and cool and dry. So green leafy vegetables, that like spinach, green cabbage, they are bitter in taste sometimes. Other vegetables like bitter gourds, eggplant means brinjals, they also taste bitters. Some herbs and spices like turmeric, fenugreek, and dandelion root, coffee, tea also, they taste bitters. Certain fruits like grapefruits also sometimes taste like bitters. So these bitter, actually very much bitter taste food are very much helpful to our body. They have antibiotic, antiparasitic, antiseptic qualities. They detoxify and lightens tissue. Detoxify means toxic elements, they remove toxic elements, okay, poisonous materials in our body. They also stimulate the appetites, helps bring out the flavors of the other taste, helpful in reducing weight, water retention. Also they help in nausea. So these are about the 4 basic taste: sweet, sour, salty and bitter. I have told you which type of taste is found in which type of food. Next, another 2, that is the pungent and astringent. Pungent, that is fire, air. Fire means acidic in nature, and they are hot, dry and light. The vegetables like chili peppers and garlic, onions. चिल्ली राग जो करता है, गार्लिक, ओनियंस भी कभी कभी थोड़ा खाने में राग लगता है, चिल्ली जैसे लगता है. दे contain, they taste pungent, their taste is pungent. And sometimes spices like black peppers, ginger, cayenne, these are also taste pungent. And some herbs, tulsi, also taste pungent. Next is pungent taste foods that also add circulation to our body and relieves muscle pains, and also they improve our digestions, help in metabolic activity, digestion process and different process in our body. And the next last one is astringent, we can say, which contain earth and air, and they are, the food are dry, cool and heavy. Food materials like beans, lentils, they contains taste astringent. Raw fruits, pears, pomegranates, dried fruit also, they taste astringent taste. Vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, asparagus, turnip, they also, their taste also we can say astringent. And rye sometimes also taste astringents. Spices like turmeric and marjoram also we can say their taste as astringents. So these are the different taste. If we eat food with astringent taste, then it tighten our tissue, dry the fat in our body, and absorbs water, much water you need to drink. So another taste I am telling you that umami. It is also type of taste like savory, and it taste of food like meat, mushroom, fish. These are called umami taste. This is another type of taste. Beside this 6 taste, we can say umami is also a type of taste. So meat, mushroom, fish, these are taste umami. Sometimes you can say the flavory curry of that is paneer also taste umami. So we can say one question I have already asked you earlier, why do you like to eat different kind of foods, fruits and vegetables? Everyone say different kind of foods, fruits, vegetables, they give up different type of taste, because we do not like the same taste every day. We do not like to eat the same taste every day, same food every day, because if we eat the same food every day and the same taste every day, then we will be bored. So we eat different kind of foods, fruits and vegetables, because they provide us different type of nutrients, and also they changes our taste now, and also we like different taste. Okay, so we like to eat different type of food materials, not the same type of food materials. Okay, next one, you see, why do you like different kind of food, fruits and vegetables? Because we like different type of taste, and different type of foods also provide us different type of nutrients needed for our body. So we eat different kind of food, fruits or vegetables. Now you see, I am discussing about how can you know the taste of food. To know the taste about foods, or the uppermost surface of our tongue, on the surface of our tongue there are tiny bumps. Tiny bumps means tiny, that is sugar like माने दानादार कुछ रहता है हमारी जीभ में, जीभ के ऊपर वाला सरफेस में दानादार जो चीज़ रहता है, बम्स, टाइनी बम्स, छोटा छोटा उठा उठा दानादार, अगर हम सुखा देंगे तो पता चलेगा कि जीभ के अंदर हमारा कुछ है, टाइनी बम्स, दाना दाना जैसे लगता है. एंड दे आर टेस्ट बॉल, दे आर टेस्ट रिसीवर, है ना, दे आर टेस्ट रिसेप्टर, दे रिसीव आवर टेस्ट. So you see in which portion of our tongues which type of taste buds are present. You see on the innermost part, you see innermost part in the central region the bitter taste is there, and along the line, along the line both sides sour taste, that is close to bitter taste present, sour taste buds. And with that, near to sour taste buds, along the line of both sides of the tongue salty taste bud is present, and in the front tip of the tongue sweet taste is present, sweet taste buds are present. So the tiny bumps that are present on the surface of our tongue, that are known as taste buds. So taste buds, what are taste buds? Taste buds are the tiny buds present on the surface of our tongue, and there are 4 types of taste buds: bitter, sour, salty and sweet. And you know the position, bitter is on the front of our tongue, sweet is on the front of our tongue, whereas bitter is on the back side of the tongue. And sour is along the both the end, both the line, both side, and also salty on the front and both side of the tongue. So you know the different type of taste buds. Bitter, again you can see bitter, here bitter is present, and after this sour, salty, sweet, you will draw these pictures, and you will draw this picture of tongue in your copy, and you will write the regions where different type of taste buds are present: bitter, sour, salty, and sweet. So, another question: what are taste buds? I have already told you what are taste buds. The tiny bumps present on the surface of the tongue are called taste buds. The tiny bumps present on the surface of the tongue are called taste buds. It is present, not presents, okay, because it is plural. So again, you can see taste buds are sensory organs that are found on your tongue and allow you to experience taste that are sweet, salty, sour, and bitter. They are sensory organs. They actually sense the taste of the food. They are taste receptor. Okay. So taste buds are nothing but taste receptor. So okay. So today we learn about this. Thank you very much.